You are exactly 60 seconds away from becoming a game developer. You don't need to know Python. You don't need Unity. With ChatGPT 5.5, you just paste a prompt and click the preview button. And boom, you are instantly playing a game inside your browser. Today, I'm giving you 10 viral game prompts you can copy, paste, and play in seconds. But we aren't just doing basic games. I've broken these down into 3 tiers of difficulty. We are going to push ChatGPT 5.5 to its absolute limits, making our prompts more complex and more high-end as we go from game 1 to 10. Stick around for level 3 because people are downloading game number 10 to run automated TikTok live streams and make hundreds of dollars right now. Let's go!
We start at beginner. Game 1 is Neon Snake. Even at level 1, we are pushing boundaries. We aren't asking for basic colors. We are demanding a glowing gradient and borderless mechanics where the snake wraps around the screen. Game 2 is a 2048 clone. This tests ChatGPT's ability to handle state logic and CSS transitions. When you hit preview, the tiles don't just snap, they glide perfectly, feeling like a premium mobile app. Game 3 is the Wordle beater. The high-end demand here? Local storage. If you refresh the page, the AI actually coded it to remember your high score. Welcome to Tier 2, where we introduce physics and progression. Game 4 is an endless runner. The complex demand here is making the game scale in difficulty. ChatGPT perfectly calculates the speed multiplier, so it gets harder the longer you survive. Game 5 is the Flappy Bird clone, but we are stepping up our demands. Graphics and physics aren't enough anymore. We want sound. Look at this prompt. We explicitly asked it to synthesize audio using the Web Audio API. In one click, the AI handled gravity math and generated real sound effects from scratch without us uploading any MP3 files. Game 6, the Fruit Ninja remake, tests mouse tracking. You hold click to draw a blade, slicing falling objects in half. Not only does it do the vector math, but listen closely. The AI coded a sharp swoosh sound effect entirely in JavaScript that plays every time you slice. Now we enter Tier 3. These prompts push the AI to its absolute limits. If it gets this right, game development is forever changed. Game 7 is a space shooter. We are asking for 360-degree projectile math, screen shake, and synthesized laser sounds. It actually coded a bass rumble for the explosion. Incredible! Game 8 is the Tower Stacker. The AI is calculating Boolean geometry to slice overlapping blocks in real time while simultaneously triggering custom synthesized clack sounds when your timing is perfect. Game 9, the new age Doodle Jumper, introduces infinite procedural level generation. The camera tracks you vertically forever, generating platforms and distinct sound effects for regular jumps versus breaking platforms. And finally, game number 10, the final boss Plinko game, the mass physics simulator. I asked the AI to simulate over 100 rigid body marbles simultaneously, but here is the genius part. Every single collision triggers a synthesized musical chime. Listen to that ASMR. Why would you want this? Because this is exactly what creators are using to farm engagement and donations on TikTok Live. The sound effects are what keep viewers hooked.
This is the secret. The preview window is just for testing. When you're ready to go live, you click this download button right here. It downloads the game as a single HTML file to your computer. You double-click it, make it full screen, and capture it in OBS to stream straight to TikTok. You now own a custom, fully functional game with synthesized audio that can generate income. And you built it in 60 seconds without knowing a single line of code. The true power of AI is knowing exactly what to ask it. I've put a document with all 10 of these exact high-end prompts in the description below so you can try them yourself. Go grab it, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next AI Tool Tracker video.